Airplane flight. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's a good one. Go get it.
Daddy.
No, I'm going to do this. You go do that. All right, hold it in the middle.
No, can you hold it and I'll hold it?
No, I'm going to hold the camera. Ready? We'll do it this way. Ready?
Daddy, can I hold it?
1, 2, 3. Oh, got stuck in the wall.
Okay,
Now you throw it. Straighten it out. Now you throw it. Hold it in the middle. In the middle. No, no, no. In the middle. That's not how you throw paper airplanes. Throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it. All right, again. Let's see how far you can get it. Ready? Run and then throw. Run and throw. Goofball, what are you doing? Throw it. Run and throw. No. Hold it in the middle.
Can I hold it?
No.